Sekretari Katanat Kakot Kakia Kakong Rosetta M. Kurbah minta kesengi kelap Plie ke Bethany Center for Reproductive Medicine Shillong. Habaya keren hakani kesengi Kakong Kurbah kalau bakilong kami kiba laban yokon kin hap show bandit sumar shabar jo kami Meghalaya namar kani ke jing sumar kala don minta Shillong.
It is a matter of great pride for all of us that this center is being launched on the 50th year of Meghalaya statehood, when the entire state is poised towards making greater strides in improving the overall development of its people, improving the quality of life for every individual, and most importantly in health, including maternal and reproductive health.
Who have experienced the situation, how they have gone, not only in Guwahati, they've gone all over to Delhi, Madras, Chennai. It's like madness chasing after, care and to get this, to have a child, to be exact. So what happened is at this point of time, where we are, having a child naturally also is very, we all know how it is, There's a lot of kind of uncertainty for a mother. But then, being a mother, it's something which, it gives a lot of hope. It gives a lot of purpose. Therefore, I understand the stress that goes through a family which, doesn't, get pregnant, naturally. Therefore, in this situation, as we gathered here today to open the Center of Reproductive Medicine, I really congratulate the hospital administration for coming up with the center to help our people to overcome this gap.
Habaya keren hiklat pathai kubor u Dr. Beniston Diwanba u balongru in vitro fertilization consultant and infertility specialist jong ke Bethany Hospital u laong baka jing don jo kani ke jaka sumar kan pelat lut ye baro ki jing khuslai jing ki to ki long kemi ki ba laban yok ko namarba kani ke jing sumar kla don mentah Shillong.
Unfortunately, infertility or subfertility in the country of India has not got the importance it deserves due to a lack of data. We all know that the ability of a couple to achieve pregnancy decreases with the increasing age of the female partner. Witnessing a significant rise in the late marriages in the 21st century, the prevalence of infertility is said to be witnessing an increasing trend. Of the 60 to 80 million couples worldwide suffering from infertility, a rough estimate of at least 15 to 20 million of these couples are in India, which translates to a rough estimate of about 25%. With infertility, the term infertility stigma refers to a phenomenon associated with various psychological and social tensions associated with the couple, especially to the woman. I therefore urge the society to play a positive role amongst the infertile couples.